What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode here at Ford Era. I'm Solomon, and that's not a Ford, but I stayed last night over here with Bennet from Project 15, and we took Betty White home, which is a really cool Dodge swept line. It's got a Cummins swap, and it's awesome. So today we are going to see if we can get Gold Dust fixed again. We have a whole bunch of ideas of what happened and how we can remedy that. The main thing that we think it is the crankshaft is worn. So Cummins makes the seal, the crank seal that we put on yesterday. They make one that has a special sleeve for wear, which is supposed to be exactly for this type of an issue. So there's a Cummins dealer about an hour from here. They have the part in stock. They don't have the special install tool needed, but they do have the part. So we're gonna buy the part, and then I'm gonna call every diesel shop and see if anybody has that tool and we could borrow it, because we can't find one locally either. So just starting the day out, thought I'd give you guys an update, and we will see you in the next clip. All right, so we just got over here to the shop, and we're actually just switching out Betty White over there to the Raptor, because we need to go about an hour or so to go pick up this seal. So we're swapping it out, and just give you a little update. Look at poor Gold Dust over there, just not able to move. Actually drives just fine, just leaks oil everywhere. But anyway, we'll see you guys when we get the part. Just made it over here to Cummins, literally just on time. It is 4:09 and they close at 4. I actually had a buddy of mine run over here just so they could stay in line with the parts people. See, the door's closed, but he's inside, so we got this. What up?
How you doing?
Yep, we got this. Door was closed, made it in. So I'm gonna get the part. See you in a second. All right, we made it in. This is the seal. It's also got the special insert gasket that you need and all the other stuff. Cummins genuine part, and if you guys ever need one, it is 380-280 or 820. So we're heading back to the shop. We are back over here at the shop, but we're actually not going to install it today. The only reason is it takes a specialty tool to install this seal, and the tool's not going to be showing up till tomorrow afternoon, and we'll probably work on it on Sunday and then get everything all good. But we're going to put this stuff down, and that's it. Have some fun in Atlanta, see what this place is all about. We'll catch you when, I guess, literally in the next clip. I don't know what it's gonna be. Hello, everybody. So we are back here at P15 4x4, and we got the right part. So this sleeve right here, we think will help us. It's the wear sleeve or speed sleeve, depends who says it. Genuine Ford, not Ford, genuine Cummins part, 380-2820. And then it also comes with the seal. It's a nicer seal and a little plastic insert. And then we got this tool, right?
Yeah, man, so this tool is gonna slide it onto the crank. It's got a little recess in it, and this will slide in here, and it'll set the depth on the crank to the correct depth in it. And then we made a little plasma cut this out this morning just to get our seal settled in there. And we're gonna give it another shot, man. We're gonna get this old 12 out to live another day, man. That's the goal here.
That's definitely the goal. I was ready to just throw in the towel, but Matt was like, not happening. Bennett was like, not happening. We're getting this thing driving, so we're gonna give it another go. I'll show you guys once we start doing it. So Matt, what you doing, buddy?
Oh man, we're just sliding a little assembly lube on this thing before we put it on the crank. Gonna try to keep it from getting scarred. I'm gonna do a little assembly lube on the inner ring, and then on the actual crank itself, I'm gonna throw a little bit of motor oil on it, just for precaution. We're gonna try to do this right and do it the first time right.
Oh yeah.
Righty. So you might be able to see there, that is the groove we're fighting, right in there. So we're gonna put the wear sleeve on this and put it on back in, and it should not give us any more troubles after that.
So, dude, you got her on there.
All right, guys, so we slid it on there. We just add a little bit of lube to it. As you can see, it's kind of got some resonate on it. She slid on nice and tight. Now we got a brand new machine surface ready to roll with it. And we should be ready to rock and roll once we get that seal in the front cover. We're gonna slide it back on and give her a test.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Yes, sir. We got our biggest fan back out here, too. Full blast for this old Georgia summer day, too.
Hey, Milwaukee, we need a sponsorship over here at P15.
Yeah, right. Send us some tools. Hey, guys. Over here, torque specking the front valve front cover. Getting her ready to roll.
So, everything is back together because Matt is the man over here.
And the biggest fan, keeping us alive in the Georgia heat, full blast.
That thing's a ripper.
It is, it is.
So,
Makes projects possible out here.
we put it in, the sleeve's in.
Yeah, so we threw a sleeve on it. We got a nice smooth machine surfaced and a new seal in it. So we're all fresh again. And button back up, torqued back to spec, and we're ready to give it a test drive.
So right now, everybody cross your fingers because you're already watching this afterwards, but it's about to happen. The keys aren't in it because I had them on me. Sorry. Oh, we got good oil pressure. Hell yeah. Alright, so now we gotta let this baby warm up just like last time and make sure we don't got no leaks. Right now we definitely don't. You'll get updated as soon as we do find something, or hopefully we just tell you it's all good. Alright, so just like last time, the revs are doing it and it's leaking still.
Oh yeah, we got a pisser. You want to shut her off?
Yeah. Well, that is not fun.
Yeah.
Just spent a whole, well, actually it wasn't that long, but it was still, it's an effort that we didn't have to make.
Yeah. Hey, we
That
tried
sucks.
it though. We've thrown every
We've
part at
exhausted
it,
all
every
of our
seal.
options.
Yeah. There's not much more we can do to it besides throw another crank in the bottom end of it and get that thing. The front to back motion in it is really killing that thing, and it's just eating the seals alive, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Man,
It
sad
is
to
what
see
it
go
is.
out like this, but
It is what it is. This probably is gonna end this video, but if it doesn't, I'll see you in the next clip. So, because that sleeve and everything didn't work, I am going to be towing the truck over to the Maynardsville, Tennessee, right outside of Knoxville. And I'm gonna be taking it back to Kody Smith. He's the guy who installed all the trim for me, and he is an awesome fabricator. So, since the truck is down anyways, it's gonna be a few weeks before the mechanics can even get to like really seeing what's wrong with it. I decided let me start fixing some rust because the truck's got plenty of it. So, I'm gonna start addressing that. And that, and that, and that, and you know, there's a whole bunch of other spots, and I don't like the fuel doors like they were welded in, and there's this. I'm gonna try to see if we can maybe even pop that dent out, and just a whole bunch of stuff that I want to get done. So like, I want this door taken out, need to fix this rust. So yeah, there's rust right there. So we're gonna take it over there. I'm waiting on one of my buddies who's coming with a big trailer to tow her for me. And I'll show you guys when we load her up. See you then. Decided if anybody's gonna wait around for the trucker, might as well clean her up. So busted out the power washer. Going to give her a nice little cleaning so Kody doesn't have to get all dirty. I gave her this a little wash a couple days ago, but I didn't actually clean her. So now we're gonna actually clean it, and I'll show you guys the time lapse of doing it. All right, so we just gave her a much needed bath, and man, does she look much better. Gold dust always shines nice in with a clean body. So there we go. I am going to move her into a better position for the guy to come pick her up. She still runs and drives fine, and I move it around. The thing is, it just leaks a lot of oil, so I'm not trying to move it too much. But I'm gonna move it, and then we'll show you guys when the guy comes gets it. So just got her all cleaned, and then I flew the drone around to get some nice shots, which you guys just saw. And she's looking nice and clean. I probably should clean her more because, man, it might not be a shiny paint job, but it does have a different sheen when it's clean. So I'm gonna bring her up into the street so when the tow truck guy gets here, and then right now you guys are gonna be, you'll see that Bennet's gonna hold the camera. So here we go. She moves, spits some oil, but at least she still drives. So we'll catch you guys when the tow guy gets here. Well, I thought this clip was gonna be me showing you guys us loading the truck up onto the guy that's gonna be towing it for me, but he's running late. So I have to head to the airport. Bennett's gonna take me. First, I really wanna say thank you so much to Bennet, Matt, Joe, and Steve over at P15 4x4. Those guys literally have, like, they dropped everything they were doing to help me. We didn't fix it, but it's not their fault. I mean, they really did above and beyond. So if you guys can, if you're on Instagram, go check them out. It's P15_4x4. Give them a follow. Let them know that you appreciate them helping me out. I don't even know what to say. It's just so nice. So this is where I'm gonna end this video. As always, if you enjoy the content, consider subscribing to the channel. Got any questions, comments, drop them down below. Also, I'm curious what you guys think I should do. Drop a comment below. If you want to support the channel, I got hats, shirts, stickers, hoodies, keychains, all types of stuff. Head over to FordEra.com, and we'll see you in the next one.